the Grasshopper is a classic Aesop's fable that imparts a timeless moral lesson about the importance of hard work and planning for the future. Once upon a time, in a sunny meadow, there lived an industrious ant and a carefree grasshopper. The ant was diligent and spent its summer days tirelessly collecting and storing grains for the upcoming winter. It would carry heavy loads of food back to its underground burrow, preparing for the harsh, cold months ahead. The grasshopper, on the other hand, was quite the opposite. It spent its days hopping around, singing songs, and enjoying the warm weather. Whenever the ant passed by, carrying grains, the grasshopper would tease the ant, saying, "Why work so hard when the weather is so fine? Come, relax, and enjoy the sunshine." But the ant paid no heed to the grasshopper's taunts and continued to work diligently. It knew that winter would arrive sooner or later. Sure enough, when winter descended upon the meadow, the grasshopper found itself shivering with hunger and cold. It had not stored any food and now regretted its idle ways. Desperate and famished, the grasshopper approached the ant and humbly asked for some food to survive the winter. The ant, though initially tempted to rebuke the grasshopper for its laziness, took pity on it and shared some of its stored grains. The grasshopper learned a valuable lesson about the importance of hard work, preparation, and planning for the future. The moral of the story is clear: hard work, diligence, and foresight are rewarded, while idleness and procrastination lead to suffering and regret. The ant and the grasshopper reminds us of the significance of being responsible and diligent in our lives. It teaches us that preparing for the future is just as important as enjoying the present, and that we should not underestimate the value of hard work and planning ahead.